Hi everyone, this is Bailey with Antiquaria, and today I'll be showing you an easy way to turn your embroidery into an ornament. We have kits in our shop, or you can grab some felt and do this with any 4-inch or smaller hoop that you'd like. The first thing you'll want to do is trim off the excess fabric. Before you start cutting, make sure the design is perfectly centered and the top screw of your hoop is at the top of your design. Next, you'll do some running stitches around the excess fabric. No perfection needed here, as this part won't be seen in the end. When you've gone all the way around, pull the thread to gather your fabric and tie a knot to secure. Now you'll clip the excess thread. Now you'll get your felt backing, which is a piece cut to 4.5 by 4.5 inches square. Lay your hoop on top and trace around it with a marker. Carefully cut the circle out of your felt. To glue the felt to your embroidery, run a line of glue, hot glue or craft glue along the outer edge of the felt. Center your embroidery over the felt and press down to adhere the two together. If you use craft glue, make sure you set it aside to dry, probably overnight. Lastly, you'll take your twine or ribbon cut to about 12 inches long and tie a knot. Once you have a loop, thread it through the hoop screw at the top and loop it to make a hanger. That's it! You now have a gorgeous embroidered ornament to adorn your tree or to gift to a loved one. I hope you found this helpful, and we'll see you next time.